In 2.9, we're solving multi-step multiplication problems. So we have to be really careful about how we solve these. A lot of times we find ourselves just solving that very first part and getting our answer. We need to make sure we're reading all the way through the problem. So with this first one, it says 3 boxes weighing 128 pounds each and 1 box weighing 254 pounds were loaded onto the back of an empty truck. A crate of apples was then loaded onto the same truck. If the total weight loaded onto the truck was 2,000 pounds, how much did the crate of apples weigh? So there's a lot of parts. First thing we're going to do is kind of just start at the beginning. So 3 boxes weighing 128 pounds each and 1 box weighing 254 pounds were loaded onto the back of an empty truck. So I'm going to do 128 times 3. That will get me what the total of these 3 boxes were. So I'm going to say 3 times 100 is 300. 3 times 20 is 60. And 3 times 8 is 24. I'm going to add those up, so I should get 384. Then it says 1 box weighing 254 pounds. So I'm going to add 384 plus 254. They'll tell me the weight of everything I know that was loaded on. So 4 plus 4 is 8. 8 plus 5, 13. My 1 goes up here. 3 plus 2 plus 1. I'm going to do 3 plus 1 is 4, 5, 6. So 638. Then it says a crate of apples was loaded onto the same truck. If the total weight loaded was 2,000 pounds, how much did the crate of apples weigh? So I'm going to do 2,000, that's my total weight, minus 638, that's everything else besides the apples. Then I'm going to subtract. So I can't do regrouping with my 0, so I need to make this a 1. This becomes a 10, then a 9, then a 10, and a 9, then a 10. 10 minus 8 is 2, 9 minus 3 is 6, 9 minus 6 is 3. Should get 1,362. Then I need to remember my label. How much did the crate of apples weigh? We were using pounds, so 1,362 pounds. Another example would be this next one. In 1 month, Charlie read 814 pages. In the same month, his mom read 4 times as many pages as Charlie. That was 143 pages more than Charlie's dad. What was the total number of pages read by Charlie and his parents? So first thing, I'm going to say Charlie read 814. His mom read 4 times as many. I know that's going to be 814 times 4. 4 times 800 is 3,200. 4 times 10 is 40. And 4 times 4 is 16. Add those up, 6, 5, 2. So his mom read 3,256. His dad read 143 pages less because it tells us that mom read that many more. So I'm going to do 3,256 minus 143. 3, 1, 1, 3. So that's dad. Then it says, what was the total number read by Charlie and his parents? So I'm not just going to add these two. I need to add Charlie's as well. So 3,256 plus 3,113 plus 814. And to add all those up, 13, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10, 11, should get 7,183 pages. So again, the big thing is to just make sure we're reading through the problem all the way before we think we have an answer.